Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share or discuss some of the tech news that is related to the Snapdragon Insider mobiles, then the MacBook Air 2022 lineup, then Pixel 6, and then Bravia X90J 4K HDR TV, and then 11-inch iPad Pro, and then finally the iPhone 13 lineup. So first of all, I want to introduce you that the Snapdragon Insider, the smartphone which will be launched by the Snapdragon with the technical help from Asus. And it's a quite flagship phone because it in the inside of this phone there is so much uh, flagship graded chipset, RAM, and many more things. As you know all that Snapdragon is a highly dedicated for the processing capacity, but they are trying to develop a phone with the help of Asus. So in this phone they built or they installed Snapdragon latest processor, Snapdragon 888 5G platform. Then it also has the 6th generation AI engine and the connectivity powerhouse professional camera quality, and it also has the 3D sonic sensor generation 2. This phone has a versatility because it's also designed for the gamers. It's a very useful phone for the gamers because it has the Qualcomm Adreno 660 GPU that is 35% faster graphics rendering compared to the previous generation. So it also has the true 10-bit HDR display. Okay, the cameras are also AI powered triple camera, and that has the 2.7 gigapixel per second and triple 14-bit. Here in this phone the user can get the pro level headphone, wireless noise cancellation headphone that are designed by Snapdragon team, and that is called Snapdragon Sound Qualcomm, and it has the high resolution detail and also the robust connectivity and designed to fully synchronize audio. And this box is designed for the people who want to purchase this thing, and the inside of this box there is available of premium these earbuds, then quick charge 5 technology 65-watt charger, then a custom rubber bumper for protection, and also there is the enhanced braided cables, that is the type C to A cables 1.2 meter in length. So that's all about the Qualcomm latest flagship phone, Qualcomm Insiders. Then we move forward to the MacBook 2022 lineup. So in this section, the report shows that in 2022 MacBook Air will be redesigned and then have the mini LED display in it. So the latest flagship, that is by latest generation of MacBook Air from Apple, and the render designed by the Yan and John processor showed that thing. So it's a very good laptop. Probably the league star or the league or the analyst Ming Chi Kuo, that is the 76.6% accurate of this render, and the technology that has the mini LED display will compare to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and it also has the latest Mac processor, that is M2 processor. So that's all about the new leaks and rumors from MacBook Air 2022. Then we move forward to the latest Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro final specification that is rendered by John Prosser. Here the latest design, the Google Pixel. So the Pixel phones are always been very much popular due to So what we want to tell that the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro that is rendered recently, and the first look is given. The design is so unique, but the camera bump is so large here. And it is said that the Pixel 6 have 2 cameras and Pixel 6 Pro have 3 cameras and back. And the design is quite unique, but the camera bump is higher. The Google company promises to upgrade its software update for 5 years for this Pixel phone, Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. There is the configuration of this phone is the 6.4-inch AMOLED display, rear camera setup with the 50 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra wide, that is for Pixel 6, and front camera will be 8 megapixel, and the battery capacity of the Pixel 6 will be the 4614 milliampere, and of course the processor will be the Google first processor. The RAM will be the 8 GB and storage capacity will be the 128 GB or 256 GB, and Android, the latest Android operating system 12. And on the other hand, the Google Pixel 6 Pro will have the 6.67-inch display, the plastic OLED or PA-OLED display. The rear camera will be rocking 50 megapixel wide, then 48 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide. And then front camera will also the greater than the Pixel 6, that is 12 megapixel, and also the battery capacity will be the 5000 milliampere, and processor also the latest processor by Google, and the RAM will be the 12 GB, and then storage, the base variant will be the 128 GB, then 256 GB, and then finally the highest render will be the 512 GB, and of course the Android operating system will be the latest Android 12. So that's all about the Google Pixel 6. Then we move back to Sony's latest 4K HDR TV with Smart Google, and that is launched recently 2021, and the model name of this TV is XR55X90J. so that is the f55-inch variant, and it will be available also 50-inch, 65-inch and 75-inch all ranges. The product highlights will shows that the XR Triluminous Pro display is available here, full array LED and XR contrast chapter booster 5, and then Google TV is supported, HDMI 2.1 supported, XR 4K upscaling, acoustic multi audio, and Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, etc. So these things are very. And there is the front view of this TV, there is the rear view of this TV, there is a side view, and also there is the emergency guide, and this will cost $1299.99. So there's all about is the feature. Here is some feature is available. It's a very good looking TV and also has a high tech available. It focus on the brightness, the clarity, etc. Then we move back to the new section, that is 11-inch iPad Pro by Appletree. Here is also shows the 11-inch iPad Pro model in the next year will be the mini LED display, because in this year in 2020 there is no next year 2022. In 2021 there is the only a mini LED display in 12.9-inch variant, but in the 11-inch variant there is the basic model that are in the last year's model. So Apple gonna change this thing, and it's 76.6% cut by the trade analyst Ming Chiu Kuo. So this thing is if the OLED panel or the mini LED panel is available in iPad Pro 11 inches, that will be rocking and also good thing for the viewer. Then finally we move back to the latest iPhone 13 series look, and the source is Weibo, and her Ice Universe tweeted in his account, and all of this is iPhone 12 mini 13 mini. That's all. So thank you very much for watching this video.